Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, today we'll discuss one question of stock ledger where there are shortages are arrived at go down. There is loss of stock. How to record it, that we'll be understanding in this question. The stock of material on hand on 1st December 2013 was 1300 units. This is opening stock at the rate of 3 rupees 50 paise each. The following purchases and issues took place subsequently. Calculate quantity, that is number and the value of stock on hand as on 31st December 2013 under FIFO method, first in first out. 2nd December there is purchase of 500 units at the rate of 4. 4th December purchase of 2000 units at the rate of 5 rupees 50 paise. On 18th December there is purchase of 400 units at the rate of 5. On 6th December there is issue of 2300 units. On 8th December there is issue of 300 units, and on 15th December there is issue of 700 units. Stock verification revealed shortage of 25 units on 17th December 2013. Let us start with stock ledger. On 1st December there was an opening balance of 1300 units at the rate of 3 rupees 50 paise each. It is 4550. On 2nd December there is purchase of 500 units at the rate of 4. Value 2000. 1300 units at the rate of 3.5. Fresh purchase 500 units at the rate of 4. So we are now having two stocks, 1300 units and 500 units. 4th, purchase of 2000 units at the rate of 5.5. 11,000. So we had 1300 units at the rate of 3.5, 500 units at the rate of 4 rupees, and current purchase is 2000 units at the rate of 5.5 amounting to 11,000. On 6th December there is issue of 2300 units. It will be issued first from 1300 units, 4550. Next 500 units at the rate of 4, 2000. And next 500 will be taken from last lot, 2750. So out of 2000, 500 units are issued. So balance 1500 units at the rate of 5.5, 8250 rupees. On 8th December there is issue of 300 units. It will be from this lot at the rate of 5.5, 1650. Out of 1500, 300 units are issued. So balance 1200 units at the rate of 5.5, 6600. Stock verification revealed shortage of 25 units. That is on 27th of that is on 17th of December Meanwhile, on 15 December, there is again issue of 700 units. 3,850. Balance 500 units. 2,750. On 17 December, there has been verification of stock which has shown shortage of 25 units. So it will be recorded as issues at the rate of 5.5. So it is 137 rupees 50 paise. Balance 475 units at the rate of 5.5. It can be rounded off to 2,613 rupees. Closing stock on 17th. On 18 December, there is purchase of 400 units at the rate of 5. So on 18th, we will be having two stocks, 475 and 400 units. These are the details given in the question, and they are asking us to find out value of stock on hand 31st December 2013. If there are no further or subsequent issues or receipts, this is going to be a closing stock. We can add it and find out. So closing stock value is 4,613 rupees. Total number of units here 475 plus 400, that is 875 units. So in this question, we have understood how to record shortages which are arising at godown due to misplace of stock or loss of stock, and record it in stock ledger. Thanks for watching this video. Stay in tune with Ekeeda and subscribe to our channel Ekeeda. Thank you.